We did it. We made it. A day that will forever be written in Timor-Leste's history, as our beloved nation is now officially the 11th member of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. Here at Kuala Lumpur Convention Center during the 47th ASEAN Summit, the declaration of the admission of Timor-Leste into ASEAN was signed by all ASEAN leaders, symbolizing the unity and acceptance of our nation into the regional family. In a moment that moved hearts, Prime Minister Kairala Shanana signed the declaration with a big smile on his face, a smile that captured the pride, the journey, and the finality of Timor-Leste's long-awaited accession to ASEAN.
Today, history is made. Timor-Leste has been admitted as the 11th member state of ASEAN. For the people of Timor-Leste, this is not only a dream realized, but a powerful affirmation of our journey, one marked by resilience, determination, and hope. For ASEAN, it is the continuation of a vision, a truly united family of nations, bound together by shared values, common aspirations, and collective destiny. On behalf of the government and people of Timor-Leste, I extend our deepest gratitude to all ASEAN member states, to the ASEAN Chair, the ASEAN Secretariat, and our dialogue partners. Your trust, encouragement, and unwavering solidarity have made this historic day possible. Our path to membership has been long and purposeful. Since we applied in 2011, we have prepared our institutions, reformed our policies, and strengthened our readiness, guided by the wisdom, support, and patience of ASEAN and its partners. Our accession is a testament to the spirit of our people, a young democracy, born from struggle, now embracing a new era of collaboration and growth within one of the world's most dynamic regions. Today, ASEAN reaffirms its vitality and its inclusivity. Timor-Leste joins with humility and with pride.
The Secretary General of ASEAN then handed the declaration to the President and Prime Minister of Timor-Leste, marking the official welcome of our nation as a full-fledged member of the ASEAN community. And for us Timorese, this moment carries more than diplomatic meaning. It carries emotion, sacrifice, and hope. From Dili to Oikusi, from the mountains to the coast, the hearts of our people beat with pride. After years of perseverance and partnership, our small yet resilient nation now stands tall among Southeast Asian brothers and sisters. And so, from the heart of Kuala Lumpur, I'm Digna Serão, and with Anita Suarez, reporting for Tatoli on this unforgettable day when Timor-Leste finally takes its place in the ASEAN family. So once again, we did it, Timor-Leste. We made it.